Hi, this is Dr. Hongdu. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to navigate to your iCollege course site and access OLI for your reading materials and assessments. Once you are in your iCollege course site, the first thing you will see is probably the navigation bar. So from the navigation bar, you can get quick access to certain tools. For example, the content, the gradebook later on. If you scroll down a little, you will see my contact information. You can also find my virtual office hours, some important dates, and if you need help with anything, so here it provides some hyperlinks you can click into. And in this portion, it also gives you a quick access to OLI once you registered for OLI. If you continue scrolling down, then you will see the announcement tool. So in the announcement tool, I will post important information such as reminders or to-do list. So for example, here I have the welcome message. I have the week 1 announcement. So in the weekly announcement, you will find a to-do list. So basically, these are the things you have to complete each week. So that is why it's super important for you to log on to the iCollege and check at least the announcement. So once you understand what you need to do on a weekly basis, then you need to go to the content browser. So you can either enter it from here or from the top navigation bar. So let's enter the content browser using the top navigation bar. So click the content. So now you see all the modules on the left, okay? So some of the modules so the items in the modules are not available yet. For example, if you click week 1, all these are grayed out, which means you have to finish the week 1 assignment first before you can access the week 2 assignment. So let's take a look at week 1. So in the week 1, you have 3 items. So you have the syllabus quiz, which you have to finish after you read the syllabus. You have to take a survey and you have to register for OLI. So here, these are the description of how to register OLI and where to get your access code. Okay, so if you click this, it will get you to the registration page. So over here, if you already purchased the access code from the Parameter bookstore, then you can enter it here, then you are in. Or if you don't want to pay it now, then you can request a grace period. So once you've done this, then you should be able to access OLI. After this, you don't need to access these items anymore because every time you want to access OLI, then you can go to the front page and access it from here. If you click this hyperlink, it will lead you to the OLI portal. So at the OLI portal, you need to open the course syllabus. And later on, as you do more assignment, you might want to find out your grades. So this is the part you can click to get your grades. So if you open the course syllabus, now you see all the units, chapters, and checkpoints. So in order to know what to do here, what you need to pull out is your weekly to-do list. So go to your iCollege announcement, find that, let's say, week 1 announcement. So here it tells you what to do for the OLI. For example, you have to do the whole unit 1 and part of unit 2 all the way up to page 27. So once you know this, then go to the OLI again, okay? So you start from the unit 1. So that means you have to do chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and in the unit 2, you have to do part of chapter 4. So basically it should be from the chapter 1 all the way to the first checkpoint, okay? So that means you have to read all these materials. So you start from chapter 1, Okay, so these are the things you need to read. So you need to read page by page, and within these pages, there might be a reading assignment. So you do have to go through all the pages to find where the reading assignment is. For example, there is a learn by doing reading assignment on page 4. Okay, so you do have to read all the pages in order to complete all the reading assignment. Another reading assignment, type of reading assignment is did I get this? So let me find out examples of those. So let's see, that's page, okay, page 13. So if you take a look at page 13, so that is chapter 4. And so you read all this, and then you have the learn by doing reading assignment. So you have to do it. Those are multiple choice problems. And there's another type of reading assignment which is called Did I Get This? Okay, so these are the reading assignment you have to do. You have to read and do these problems. Okay, and then there are checkpoints. So if you go to page 27, so that's the last page you have to finish for the week 1. So if you go there, then at the bottom, then you see this checkpoint. So you have to finish this checkpoint by week 1. Okay, so basically this is how OLI works. So every week I will send you announcement. In the announcement you will find the to-do list.